Is that okay? Do I sound good? I'll do a tutorial if you want. Come with me. Are you on me? Are you filming? Are you filming?
Are you recording?
Are you recording this yet?
You're recording
Yeah.
it?
Okay, right now we're recording. What is up, mother Gluckers and welcome to the server? It's Rodney here, and I'm going to be giving you a tutorial in Minecraft. So if you come over with me, I'm going to be teaching you how. Okay, this wasn't meant to happen in the tutorial. My life has been saved. That is the tutorial on how to do G. Oh wow, you want me to keep going? Okay. Well, come over here. I'll give you a tutorial on how to swim.
Wait, how do you do it? You didn't say how to do it.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I should have mentioned that.
Fuck.
Really, shouldn't I? It's not great. We're gonna have a meeting down here.